So as you can see, just the wait like for like a couple of weeks, harvesting they start. So like about 3 weeks, some did the harvest, some did the harvest in 2 weeks time, some did the harvest in 1 week if possible, based on the time frame which way some will plant. And they will be planted very quick, and then we'll start for harvest very quick. So you see the different, especially the tail, because you see the color of the leaf. First we see the time normal for the wait for harvest. So you see time almost not ready again. Hopefully by next month, maybe the harvest. Some they even start this month, and next month after. Don't be giving shit signal already.
Yeah, bro, good morning. How they do, how everything. I can't check on the nursery today. We don't make about 11 days. 11 days today. I can't just check on them, and I see the rest don't grow. It's just that we need for do something like a weeding for remove them grass already inside, so for give the rest chance for grow well. You see today make 11 days. Yesterday I never came. And one can later in the day yesterday, but fear scarce. So like very early this morning I go at the filling station for go to line for the fuel, So like I will get 2 liters where will count me. So like 2 weeks. Was it 2 weeks? For 11 days now. We don't know this one. 9 they come out. So even though the rice not grow all the one, you gotta see some empty grains. And the seed that were not viable. No, they're not germinate at all. But as you see, alright. So like at least I do arrangement today or tomorrow. I will call and begin ask for laborers if they are available. Like the plan I want them, because I know see that then guys if you not plan ahead of then a problem. So you see, yeah.